Hi, it's me, Dr. Prasad Patila. Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Intuition classes offering that is entrance coaching classes for CET, JEE, NEET. This particular class is for organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. Question number one: most stable carbocation is option number one C2H5 plus, CH3 thrice C plus, C6H5 3 plus, and C6H5 CH2 plus. So let me draw the structure. CH3 CH2 plus, that is the first option given. A second option, that is CH3 thrice C plus. Third option, that is C6H5 thrice C plus. And fourth option, that is C6H5 CH2 plus. Which is the most stable carbocation? We'll see one by one. Methyl group is present in this particular molecule, which is electron donating group. Therefore, that carbocation can be stabilized. Okay, it is also having inductive effect and hypoconjugation effect. The second structure, it consists of methyl group, which is electron donating. Inductive effect is there, hypoconjugation effect is there, and more hypoconjugating resonance images are possible. So it is stable than that of the first option because it has got three methyl groups. If you consider the fourth option, phenyl group is the phenyl group is resonance stabilization possibilities are there. Okay, because of resonance stabilization, it can be more stable than first option and second option. Let us see the third option. Okay, third option, it has got a phenyl group, resonance stabilization is there, and resonance stabilization, there are more resonating structures are possible, and it is the most stable. So among these four, the most stable carbocation is C6H5 thrice C plus. Next question. Acetonitrile is CH3CN, CH3COCN, C2H5CN, C6H5CN. By definition, acetonitrile is the common name of CH3CN. Therefore, option number one. How many structures can a compound with molecular formula C7H9N have? Option 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2. C7H9. Okay, it is a cyclic compound because 7 carbon atoms, 9 hydrogen atoms. If I supply one hydrogen each to 7 carbon atoms, then only 2 hydrogens remain. That means that corresponding aliphatic, if I consider so many double one triple bonds is required to satisfy the valency of carbon, that is almost impossible. Therefore, it is a cyclic compound and it should have alternate or double bonds. Then only it can satisfy that 9 hydrogen. Okay, so 5 compounds with this general formula I can draw. That is benzylamine, orthotoluidine, its meta-derivative metatoluidine, its para-derivative paratoluidine, as well as N-methylaniline. Therefore, 5 is the correct answer. With a change in hybridization of carbon bearing the charge, the stability of carbanion increases in the order sp, sp2, sp3. Option 2, sp, sp3, sp2. Option 3, sp3, sp2, sp. Option 4, sp2, sp, sp3. So here option 2, option 4, they are not in the order, so that will not be correct. No need to bother about that. Option 1 and option 3. Okay. As the S character of hybridization increases, stability of carbon ion increases. Okay, so S character is more at in this option 3, sp3, sp2, sp. S character is more with the sp, that is 50% S character and 50% P character. So as S character increases, the stability increases. Therefore, option 3 is the correct answer. And also we know that as S character increases in the hybridization, the carbocation stability, if it is a carbocation, carbanion means with having negative charge on the carbon, a carbocation is having positive charge on the carbon. So carbocation stability decreases as the S character increases. Well, next option. The number of isomeric hexane is 5, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it is hexane and its isomers, structural isomers will draw. Okay, so that is hexane itself. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, 6 times carbon. Oh, you can write as 2 methyl pentane, or 3 methyl pentane, or 2,3 dimethyl butane, or 2,2 dimethyl butane. Therefore, a total 5 structures are possible with the structure given for hexane. Okay, so 5 is the correct answer. Which type of isomerism is most common among ethers? metamerism, functional isomerism, chain isomerism, position isomerism. Okay, so ethers we represent as ROR. That means it has got a carbon oxygen carbon bond, or if you take examples, ethyl ethane ether and methyl propane ether, because the number of carbon atom, hydrogen atoms and oxygen atom is the same, but only the difference is that the alkyl group arranged on either side of the functional group. Here oxygen or a single bond, that is the functional group. Here ether functional group. Okay, the alkyl group arranged on either side of the functional group we call it as metamerism. Okay, so different numbers of carbon atoms on either side of the functional group. Metamerism is the correct answer with ethers. IUPAC nomenclature of name of acrylaldehyde. Acrylaldehyde, that is CH2 double bond CH single bond CHO. If you give the IUPAC nomenclature, priority aldehyde group will get, CHO group will get first priority than that of the double bond, therefore 1, 2. Okay, so numbering and the parent alkane, parent alkane is propane. Therefore, if you give the name, it is proper 2-in-1-ol. Therefore, proper 2-in-1-ol is the correct answer. In Lazane's test, the blue color is obtained if the organic compound contains nitrogen. The blue color is due to, okay, so test for nitrogen, blue color, that is Prussian blue. That chemical structure, whatever form, that is Fe3, FeCN6 tries. Okay, we call it as iron 3 hexacyanoferrate 2, or commonly we call it as ferriferrocyanide also. Okay, that is Fe3, Fe4, FeCN6 tries, and option 2 is the correct answer. The IUPAC name of the compound CH2COOH, CHCOOH, CH2CH2COOH. Okay, rewrite the structure. Give the identify the parent alkyl chain, that is 1 carbon, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, that is make the parent alkyl group, that is meth proper butane, and it has got a 3 carboxylic acid group at position 1, 2 and 4. Therefore it is butane 1, 2, 4 tricarboxylic acid. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay, all these classes, supporting classes of organic chemistry, some basic principles are available in my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and support me. More classes I'll be giving based on entrance coaching as well as other supporting classes. So thank you very much once again for watching, and have a nice day.